Today we have a fun little video testing the Soloshot 3. This is kind of the primary reason I bought it, so I could video mostly motorcycling stuff. The airplane stuff is just a bonus if it works, but the motorcycling stuff really want it to work. So I'm testing the zoom levels of the camera to see what ones work better. I'm also seeing how well the focus and that kind of stuff works. This first little segment is on the tight tracking terrain mode with my little boy on his 50. He was loving his 50. In about a few more seconds here, there's a little loop out here that I was riding around. I rode it a whole bunch of times, and I will cut back and forth between the tight tracking and medium tracking around the 326 part of the video, 326 minute mark. I did some speed tests going close to the camera. Around the 420 mark, I did a distance test. I drove as far away as I could see the camera, and it worked great the whole way. And then just for you motocross guys, around the 508 mark, I did just a comparison to show you what it looks like with the GoPro and the GPS on. So here we got the start of my little loop. You got the tight tracking going on, and in a second I will switch to medium tracking, and I'll go back and forth between it a few times. Anyways, I'll quit talking, but honestly I'm actually really liking the results we got. I didn't have any focus issues at all, and it tracked fairly well for most of the video. So here we get the speed test. I was about 100 feet away from the camera. It did pretty good following me until I got close to the camera and it couldn't keep up, but it found me pretty quick afterwards. That's tight tracking. Medium tracking was a little bit better, as you will see. Do have GPS to verify. I was going about 60 miles an hour on both those runs. Thought it'd be fun to do a distance test, so I drove as far away as I could until I dropped off into a little gully. I measured this on Google Earth. Turns out we were 1,300 feet away. It followed us and zoomed up on us pretty good the whole way. So I really like these results. As soon as we went out of view, the camera was searching for us. It would get a signal every now and then and search where it thought we were. And pretty soon, it found us. And there we were. So it works pretty good. anyways, I'm really happy with it. Here's the part for all you motocross guys. The GoPro view, I think, gives you a better perspective of how fast you're going.